Hi guys, welcome to my video. Our topic for today is the rational algebraic expression, or which is the rational equation. So meron tayong given na 3 over 2x plus 1 over 8 is equals to x over 3 plus 1 over 24. So ang ginagawa po natin dyan is kinukuha po natin yung LCD ng ating denominator. So solution. So 3, and then factor natin yon sa x times 2 plus 4 times 2. Ganun din po dito. So x over 1 times 3 plus 8 times 3. Yan. So yung LCD nito is 2. Tapos yung LCD ng right side is 3. So yung hindi magkakaano na LCD, ita times po siya natin kay numerator for the first term. So 3 times 4 over x times 2 plus 1 times x over 4 times 2 is equals to x times 8 over 1 times 3 plus 1 times 1 over 8 times 3. Yan. So, i-multiply na po natin to. So, we have 12 over x times 2 plus 1 times x is x over 4 times 2 is equals to x times 8 is 8x over 1 times 3 plus 1 times 1 is 1 over 8 times 3. Yan. And then, yung 12 over x times 2 plus x over 4 times 2 is 12 plus x over x times 4. So, 4x times 2. So, ito yung LCD, copy lang po natin. Is equals to 8x over 1 times 3 plus 1 over 8 times 3. So, 8x plus 1 over 1 times 8 is 8 times 3. And then, tsaka po natin siya ipag-multiply. So, 12 plus x over 4x times 2 is equals to 8x is equals to 8x plus 1 over 3 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So, magkakaroon tayo ng proportional. Ito ay proportional. Cross multiply.